We present to you a product that reinvents the concept of presentation for sellers and presenters. This is a SaaS and mobile app, and we have a special offer for startups. Everyone knows how hard it is to negotiate a presentation with a client. You can play schedule ping pong for weeks, and then the key person doesn't show up. It's even harder to deliver an effective presentation. Sometimes the pitch content is weak. Speakers may not always be persuasive and passionate. You may be confused by a question that requires expert knowledge. You can publish a lot of content and pay to promote on social media. You will have lots of views of your content. But how does this translate to more leads? How do you speak with the visitor to your websites and landing pages? How can you get leads? Actually, sellers do not want to lead, but rather to speak to lead and convert it to a client. Roi4presenter solves this problem and some others as well. The product is a web service and mobile application for showing online presentations that are both recorded and live online. The presenter uses their smartphone as a presentation remote control and prompter. The presenter uploads the presentation or YouTube video to the service, adds sound and script text to the slides, and specifies the pitch slides. Service generates an HTML code with web link to the recording of the presentation. You put a code on the website or landing page as a media player. The listener watches and listens to the presentation recording in the browser and can call the presenter. The presenter receives a notification and sees on their smartphone what the user is doing. The presenter can speak to the customer using their camera and manage the slides. Listeners can choose to view the short pitch and see frequently asked questions. This presentation can ask for contact information to continue showing slides and collect leads in CRM or send by email. Customer Catcher is a Chrome extension that integrates Roi4presenter with your email and LinkedIn. It is available for free on the web store. After its installation, you will see an icon of presentation in your Gmail, Outlook, or LinkedIn mailbox. You can put a web link to your presentation in your message by clicking this icon directly from messaging application. Set up the parameters and forget about it. Roi4presenter sets up and shows the presentation, even without your presence. Instead of the expensive procedure of organizing and inviting clients to a webinar, Roi4presenter's recorded presentations are now put onto web pages as a non-stop webinar with the ability to call the presenter. The product also provides lead generation. Presentations suggest entering client data between slides in order to continue. This new lead data is saved in the CRM, as well as all their questions and how long the viewers were on each of the different slides. We have such a solution. You can get leads directly sent to your email or CRM from published content. Listeners can see your presentations with video and sound and call to a presenter or seller. Content authors now have the unique possibility to speak with video to their listeners or potential clients. Roi4presenter is a web service. Forget about the button request demo or book a demo and lead forms. Do not lose clients. Start your demo right now on your website with a connected online presenter. Roi4presenter allows you to upload to service PowerPoint and PDF presentations, import MP4 videos, or directly from YouTube. There is native integration with Salesforce and HubSpot, and with Zapier ability to support other CRM or marketing automations tools. The Chrome extension provides integration with Google Mail, Outlook, and LinkedIn, which allow you to arrange and conduct the presentation with one button. Personalized links to the presentation can be used in other CRM and email marketing automation tools. Roi4presenter is a huge help for sales managers and digital marketing managers. We help to move the deal on to the presentation stage in 24 hours. Roi4presenter increases the number of presentations with consistent high quality and elevated sales. They save presenters from the monotonous routine of presenting the same material again and again, and increase the efficiency of both the presenter and the listener. The app can be used to train salespeople at any time. They bring the seller to the fourth stage of the sales cycle, presentation, sometimes even the same day, and with a very high conversion rate. They save your most valuable resource, time. We offer a free of charge pilot for you. Our employees will help you to upload and customize your content, integrate with your CRM and marketing automation systems, and help train your personnel.